Lock screen game, insane. All right, let's talk a bit. So 2022, brand new year. Let's start with the fact that this year, I know I've said this 1,000 times, so I fully understand if you guys have trust issues at this point, but every Friday we'll be posting videos. So I just think it's time to get serious with YouTube and content overall. TikTok's been doing great. Could have been better if I was consistent with it. YouTube obviously could have been way better if I was consistent with it. Have a lot of projects, have a lot of structure this year. Literally have it all written down in this new black little book. And yeah, 2022, like I'm done playing games. So very first project of the year, that's like something I'm excited about. The hoodies are dropping finally. We've been working on them for like 3 months. Took some time to get done just because everything custom, like this was white. We got it custom dyed to a color that we thought would be amazing. So we had to go through some samples of different colors until we finally got the right one. The print was something complicated to do because initially the placement of it was very off. It was very centered, so it didn't look cool. I had to fly to LA to like get the placement right in person, and the print and the color. It's not white, it's like cream. So getting that cream was a little complicated. But finally, it's perfect in my opinion. Now the only thing missing is the tags, which is gonna go in the back right here. I don't know if you guys can see, but back here. Because it's a cool tag, so we want to showcase it, don't want to hide it. And then once we have that, it's launch time. So finally, all right, we're gonna go get some film developed. Quick fit. I'm really considering just cutting my hair short, bleaching it, and just start the new year brand new hairstyle. I'm tired of this long hair shit, to be honest. Car is so dirty. I need a car wash ASAP. ASAP. Also, his new Tesla update. Very bad, Elon. Looks like an Android. Alright, let's go hit the gym. Alright, we're back home. So I definitely think I'm gonna be getting back into meal preps just because I love cooking, like I actually enjoy cooking, but it's not realistic. Like if I'm trying to put on weight and if I'm trying to like eat consistently good, the amount of calories that I need, I'm not inspired / motivated to cook every single day. So that's why. On another note, we got a nice little store that I started a few days ago, picking up nicely. So let's see how big I can get this store. We just got some good news. Alchemy getting listed on Binance. Therefore, you guys could see a quick 46% increase in like 20 minutes. So let's see where this goes tomorrow. Hella excited. Alright, so this video right here is single-handedly the greatest video on all of YouTube. So I'm just putting you guys on just because, like, truthfully, insane. Drake at the weekend performing back in 2012, crazy. So now it's Monday. Let me pause this. It's Monday. Tomorrow we're off to LA. We're gonna shoot some content for the hoodies. We're just gonna be shooting all the lookbooks for the hoodies. Super excited for that. Gonna be there for 3 to 4 days. And yeah, year's been off to a pretty good start so far. So I'm writing my projects out in this black notebook that I showed you guys. Trying to get everything very organized this year. We're very focused on cash flow, very focused on fitness, very focused on content. So I've been getting some DMs recently about people asking like what I'm up to these days, like what I'm working on, and pretty much same thing. You know, I have the brand that I've been doing for 2 years. We have the Thursday brand. I still run drop shipping stores on the side. Like right now I've been running this side store, which I'll show you guys. Just pull it up, cover the order. It's a little side store. 15K this month so far. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Just, a few stores on the side. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The main brand, the Thursday brand, we're about to drop hoodies. We have the posters, we have the clients, studio clients, and then besides that, for cash flow purposes, the dropshipping stores that I do on the side. So this year it's not necessarily like new goals, brand new goals. It's pretty much just continuing to do what I've been doing for the past 2 years. Continue to build a main brand, continue to build the online personal brands, which is TikTok right now, YouTube I have to be posting once a week, as I told you guys, so that's going to be a huge part this year. Just more consistency, and then yeah, just continue to grow that cash flow that allows me to invest into other things. Definitely want to get properties this year. Want to get more assets, especially with the way inflation and everything's looking. Definitely want to get some assets before shit hits the fan, so that's pretty much what the goal is. The lease in this apartment ends in about 2 months, so I'm not sure if they're gonna let us renew, so we might have to look for a different unit within the same building, or figure out, if I don't get a unit in the same building, I'd probably want to travel to like different cities / countries, kind of get a feel for that, but we'll see. I mean, I'm not sure yet, but we'll see where life takes us. All right, so I just washed clothes, now we gotta fold them and pack. Alright, so we got the stars of the show. We got the brown hoodie over here. And then we got the blue hoodie on me. I personally like the blue one the most. I like both, but the blue one is just crazy. So hopefully, I'm gonna wear this to the airport. So hopefully I don't end up matching with Pierre somehow. Look how perfect the hoodie fits into it. It was built for it. There's actually the first sample that we got to make sure the fitting and the cut was great. Then we got it custom dyed in blue and brown, but this was the original baby. So we're out here watching this crazy game. Would have been nice if I caught that, but first day in LA, crazy hairstyle. Yeah, boy gotta score that, man. That boy gotta score. No way, we caught that on live television. You know the vibes. That So one thing that I've noticed is actually like different between Facebook ads and TikTok is that with TikTok it's so much harder to keep a product like consistently running for more than 2 weeks. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about right now. Because with Facebook you can run a product like 2 or 3 months without issues, but let me show you. So this store, as you guys can see, started running like decently, got to like 3.2K, and then like the ads just died. So I'm gonna test new creatives on one of the hoodies that we're shooting later today. Really like top 5 Drake songs ever. The outro 0 to 100. The one that's playing right there. Insane. This guy really said, been on the move like the lease is up. Like, we're about to go eat some pasta to El Paseo with Amanda and Piero. Shit, it's not focused. Okay, there we go. So the Uber's here, so we're gonna go eat. We just took some crazy pictures of the hoodies that they're wearing.
So I got this made like recently, and it turned out to be the best photo prop. Like,
so you got the whole Paris vibes over here.
Literally.
I'll show you guys how the pictures came out. But
they came out really sick.
You're gonna change that, right?
Yeah.
Cool, because we look like uniform.
Yeah. School uniform.
Let's go. To El Paseo.
Is that a flash?
Yeah.
Made to El Paseo. Gotta eat.
This thing was crazy.
Wow. It's fire.
Thank you so much. Thank you. This room is crazy. Alright, so I ended up getting the fresh cut. As you guys can see, finally, no more of the long messy shit. And yeah, new videos every Friday. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Every single Friday this year we're dropping a video that's gonna be like this or better content, business, all that. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys next week. Peace.